Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah, that's right. That's my soda. I finish this soda and then start with beer. Alright, well, I'm Black Hat Jay. Thanks guys for letting me climb onto the gig. I have a gig tomorrow at Rama, so I was like, man, might as well visit St. Joe, you know?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
I can party and get fucked up, you know? Oh yeah. Punk rock. Love this place. I was in a band, Ghost Town Strays, before, but we split up and I decided to do this. So, hope you guys enjoy it.